This is to show you how to switch payment processors on a recurring donation. If they're currently using Paya, we want to switch them to IATS. So we're on a constituent. Let's go to the Donations tab, and they are set up as a recurring donor. And we know that they're using Paya because they have a payment method. So if I click into the recurring, we'll see this Visa 111 connected to it. So we're in the recurring donation, and payment method is populated. So we want to get rid of this payment method, and then we want to add IATS as the payment processor. So we want to delete this. So let's go back to the donations, and we're literally going to delete this record. So you could do it like this, the drop down, press delete. Yes. So that's gone, and then when we go back into the recurring, we'll see it's no longer there either. The Visa 411 was here, no longer. So now let's type in their credit card information under IATS. So you see the IATS button here. The screen pops up, and their address will populate automatically. It's blank here because this is a test constituent. I did not add actually you do need a zip code. But again, if it's populated on the constituent, address, zip, and everything will populate automatically. All of this will populate automatically. The begin date will be the very first time they started their recurring donation, so the system knows they've been a recurring since 2018. You would see that date here. End date, this is important. Put a very futuristic end date, okay? Because we charge people until they call us and end it. This means the 23rd of the month they will be charged, and here's where we enter the credit card. I'm just going to enter that same fake credit card, and that's it. Create recurring payment. Recurring payment has been created. You could X out. And so the way, let's just refresh this page. So the way you can be sure that the recurring is now connected to IATS is, we're on the recurring donation page again. You'll see an IATS customer code got created. And similarly, no, that's it. You'll see the customer code is here. And even if you press the IATS button again, you should see the encrypted credit card. Yeah. And so that's how you switch them from Paya to IATS.